All right, business owners, trademark holders, listen up. I always have to give this fraud alert. The scammers are now sending out text messages as well as emails and snail mail about your trademark or your trademark application. So remember, trademarks are federal filings. Their whole purpose is to put people on notice that you are the true owner of a brand name, a slogan, or a logo. But for that to be effective, people have to be able to find who the trademark owner is in case they want to enter a licensing agreement, find out if the trademark is still active. Therefore, the information of the trademark owner and or their lawyer, if they have one, is listed on the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. The scammers will come via mail, email, and as well as text message and tell you that there's something wrong with your trademark and blow you all into this whole tizzy trying to figure out what's happening with your very expensive trademark. It's fraud. Don't fall for it. The United States Patent and Trademark Office currently only contacts trademark owners via email. Occasionally, an examining attorney will make a phone call to an attorney or a trademark applicant and ask them questions about moving their trademark forward. However, that's rare, and if they do, it would never have a cost or money associated with it. And there is a place on the United States Patent and Trademark Office website under every mark where you can look to see when something is owed or due in your case to find out if something is dead or alive. I help DIYers figure this stuff out because I know some of these things you can do on your own, but when you get stuff like this, you need help, just let me know. If you learned something, give me a follow.